Hello everybody, welcome to Tiski Ringas. Tiski into it. Tiski into asekasi man. Ringas into it. Ratsepo, Ushab.
Mpoza.
We've decided to take stock. Guests, we will see them next week. But we must take stock of this league, man.
Hallelujah.
I know those who are going to Terminal A over the weekend, as you arrive at the airport, first priority is Terminal A. But
yeah.
Those who are flying locally can use the affidavit. Will go to Terminal B. But one of the best things that has happened in our football is the league run in this season.
So Mpoza, you got something to rewind to last time. Last time I emphasized the point that no olwanelang gore ke a win. Ke lwanela go wina ka digolo tse kae. It's very important. Masanda wana ke shebile. They win ka goal e one mo tsatsing la ma 1. Paris they won ka 5. So ora gore Mamelodi Sundowns gona le sengwe se ba se tshepileng. Gents win. But le Buccaneers bana le tumelo ya gore these goals they go into work at the end of the season.
Now say Bratsepo, after the Siwelele mishap on the Pirates camp, all you can do is make the best of the situation and take care of business on your side. Whatever happens on the other side, if they slip up, then all these things will come into
I want to join Posa. Because you look at Pirates, I think from first season I think the intention was clear. But if we want to compete, we want this.
Based on the signings.
Squad is abone fela za bolela gore gono bona this team e batla ya ka kae. And it was above that. You can tell or the Buccaneers they were preparing for Champions League. Grand they were preparing for Champions League on first time. So I mean even the draw against Siwelele. For to that draw is not a mandate. Mandate is W.
Yes.
Win.
Unstoppable thing, this thing, Orlando Pirates. It's an unstoppable train. There's an immovable object.
Hallelujah.
That is the yellow nation of Mamelodi Sundowns. Hugo Bruce said, Sundowns must manage their players. He doesn't want to rest Tebza, he doesn't want to rest Ronwen. And Miguel Cardoso now has to find ways. Because I think Tebza hasn't started the last 3 games to Sundowns. He's coming off the bench.
As Saleng since after
no, Saleng's got an injury.
Oh,
Saleng's got an injury and he's going through rehab.
Okay.
So there's been a lot of remanagement because I mean even against Durban City, Tiki is the one that scored.
Tiki yo.
And Tiki was a man of the match the previous game against was it Obed?
Yes.
So you say if you leave that position. If they because Sundowns is one of those teams you don't want to be dropped because the person that comes in may take your lunch.
Why momona we because you look at Mamelodi Sundowns and Posa. How to go ntlong gore ke a go gymming or ke a go gaming. Mfethu le bala everything e go morago. Now ke ntwa e mo pele ga gago. Because you know how many soldiers ba lana le bone mo camping. One mistake, we tshwara go icing.
I think the only person that's rested is Tebza. Others are still fighting for positions. You know, there's players, and I've said this. You look at Ronwen, you look at Mudiba, Mudau, Tebza, and they haven't had rest in a long time because they went to AFCON, from AFCON, Club World Cup, back to AFCON.
Bedway.
That is proper mileage that they've put on.
So, to honor more the importance of what the dietitian, physio,
the biokinetics,
all those. Now, but Coach Cardoso, I like the fact that there's a load. There's like an engine. Okay, you can.
It's a V12 bi-turbo engine.
You can start Ronza. You can start Ronza, and next week you start Ronza. Next week Ronza, Champions League Ronza, Bafana Ronza, come back Bedway Ronza. Same thing to Aubrey. Same thing to Modao. Ne? But you can't risk the pumping machine.
V12.
You can't risk the pumping machine. You want your machine fresh and resonant when they play the Esperance.
Is that a distraction to Sundowns, the Champions League? I know, and I say distraction in terms of the league race. But Sundowns won that thing. The obsession that Sundowns have with that Champions League is becoming unbearable.
Sure. Hey, ke gopola mantswe ga Coach Pitso. Ona tla re ke di bona. But there's an elephant somewhere. Tse re tla nna ra di bua ka tsone. But now we want 10 elephant. But Mpozani now ntse ke le ko garage. Now. So ne ke tlotla le wa itse ba majito tsena ko garage. La o simolla le ntsha those conversation. Mabona. So ona la o tia ka engwe ore no imtsepana a renge varenja. If Sundowns they don't take this one,
this will
it's a go one. If Sundowns, because remember last time I blocked you the same coach, coach I know.
Yes.
Now coach here is part of the team.
Al Ahly are out.
Al Ahly abayo.
Pyramid
out. Abayo. So aina owner. Idu utseda ya lenga yenza so. Idu utseda ya lenga. Aina owner. So mfana ke Masandawana. Time is now. Abavaye Baboe rona re tla ya o tlatsa Loftus.
My thing is, when you look at the Sundown squad, and Hugo Bruce was right, that's a well-oiled squad. And I've said this before. You look at players that have won the league. Not having won the league once, not twice. Because from first year that Tebs arrived at Sundowns, he's won every single league. From first season, Ronwen arrived, he's won every single league. Mudiba, the same. You're looking at those things, it's experience of what it takes.
That's the thing. So, wafitla ko Sundowns. O itse tshwana leng le ngwana o mo tlweditseng.
Yeah.
Mo kerisa 50 rand every day. Ne? There's no way or along the way boro amfana today you ga show me.
No, you can't go.
So, ndona tse se di tlwaetse re every season ba tsholetse. So, this season aba tshwanela le go tshwanetse ba oketse. Ke taba fela ya just to add on top moduma keke ba itshwereng. Now ke eng e tshwanetseng ba itshele. O tla tswa mo bona ra ba tshela vanilla custard or ba tshela cherry what or chocolate what. What is that? It's a Champions League.
Oof. That obsession is becoming very real. Pratsepa, I hear you. We can speak about Masandawana. My heart will be happy. Mara, there is an unstoppable train that is Orlando Pirates. And the thing is, when you look at football and you look at what it is, and I say, the intention from the office was very clear. We're going to buy players that are high-quality players. When Moremi arrived, Moremi came with Champions League continental experience from Amazulu. Because remember, Amazulu with Beni, they qualified. I think it was Confed or Champions League. Champions League.
Yes, they
so he
second.
Came with that experience. Apollos brought in international experience that he came with from Bafana. Sipho Mbule came with the experience of Champions League, and he brought everything. So you are saying, the buy of this, Mara injury man. Sihle, if Sihle had not been injured, because I think Sihle, until that injury, Sihle was one of the top performing players. Orlando Pirates from management buying and making sure that the coaches setting up the team well, because by even going, and you've got to look at those things and say, these are people that are taking this thing serious. You're not doing one and not doing two. You're saying, we've bought properly. We're taking the team to Spain to be able to train under the best facility. And when you watched Bucks camp, you would hear what from training. Sundowns are not going to let, and you were like, first couple of days you were already there. So they were already clear on what their mandate is.
Sure. So Mpoza, ne ke checkile game ya Pagani ya Mobani le Lamont. Yo. So you can tell from minute 1 or batho ba batlang bano. Gore o tlo etsala. Mfethu
Basha Papalo in the
Lebelo-
first couple of seconds.
lebelo le Pirates ba simololang ka lone la tshosa tjo. Wa bona? But I still believe for on that Mandla Ncikazi and Coach Wadu. Since ke dumela mo gore tlameha ba add gape another coach. Big teams mfethu ha di coachiwe di a managiwa. And
Okay.
big teams, they always have a big squad. And big squad, we have to share. You can't only coach Wadu over I can take everything and then coach from Kopaliung or Kopaliung. Yeah? Look at the teams like your Real Madrid, your Manchester United. Mamelodi Sundowns, they did that. And I got Coach Pito. Where they will have 3 head coach mo bench.
Material.
Not material. Qualified. Qualified coaches. There was a time where Honale, Coach Rulani, Coach Mangoba, Coach Pito.
Yeah.
Those are 3 top coaches. In the same
In
crowd.
their own
Mula
right.
second lelo one. One first time.
Yeah.
And then, my point here is, there's something you keep on in Orlando Pirates. Finishing line. I think we need us something. As South African from go Slopins Orlando Pirates. But create more. But they start to score the goals to the match and those. But I'm still saying no. Le create more le like Mawani Cho. Even the commentator, you can listen to the legendary Mark Clesen. Or there's supposed to be 5. Habakora number 3.
Yeah.
And then he was also mentioning the fact that Israeli know that since Tsofa Mapasa, back-to-back hat-tricks, since Rafael Letzakain. Hence, after that boy, really, after goal number 2, he went like this. Who's going to do this?
Mabas.
So, after that goal, ke gona gopolang gore ke mesitse ka that ball e ke pasitseng ke tshwanetse ke gore ke gona gopolang gore I should have just passed the net so that I can get my back-to-back hat tricks.
Is Orlando Pirates as a squad, are they peaking at the right time? Because when you look at it, Moremi's got goals, Apollos has got goals, Rayleigh has got goals. We know that Mahopa and Mbutuma, they are battling for goals, and De Jong at the moment, the desert there. But these 3 are supplying all the necessary Amari.
So, Mpoza, how many matches left? 87?
Yeah, 8.
87. Mfana no hasa tlholo batla ho itse hore ke mangokora.
As long as the W comes home.
Noma kanjani. Yonke intsipo ya wash.
La ka itula ya
Bona.
ya
No
tula.
batla ho tseba hore ho kora mang. But you need that special character on the team. And I like the decision he entsweng ke Coach Wadu. Mabani Bsiu. Or in relay you will stay there until the last minute. I like that because you need that character. You do everything. Shapakatara, everyone will dance. And then you can tell or message you are every time how it's
Yeah.
like that ball again and then really he just le goalkeeper le dipale fanofa and then o decide go boela go morao wa bona but I think ke message ya gore tshola ba bangwe ba je on first time.
But it's also a good thing that he's not looking to be selfish, because it says a lot about his character to be able to say, I don't have to be, when I'm in this position, I'm the one that scores. It's the one that says, this is a team effort. If I can lay it off as a number 10, let me lay it off. It's a good character, because if it's a striker, strikers have got that selfish element about them that I must.
And then now we mo pointeng ya ka ya gore at the same message we find the striker le we find the midfielders. Because striker mo lo se shaya nthung.
Yeah.
Ana nako ya gore boela go morao. Wa bona? Hence ke tshwereng extra person o tla tsena nda. I think I think o tlo change dintho, not goreng right now dintho di tsame grand. But you need that person you tlo stick onto the strikers.
So you
Striking
force.
But Spanish and Sitwa ke Benny McCarthy go
Man United.
Yes, I think re tlhoka that person la go dula mfela da. Yes, I think the management, they must just look at former strikers tsa rona tse re nnileng le tsone. Then if una le qualification mo kenye da, and then adile le that 30 minutes ya bofelo ya session or letsatsi le le releng adile fela le striking force.
Because it's the way that Pirates have gone about scoring, one may think there is no striker problem.
Yes.
Mara, when you look at who are the scorers?
Tholele are the attackers.
Let's put that aside. Has Pirates not been a team that's known traditionally that their midfielders are the ones that score? Because the all-time leading goal scorer,
so,
just for the record, if you want to watch Pirates all-time leading goal scorer, come to Omni Audio Africa, you'll see Tso Vilagazi, and he'll give you all the reaction. But Pirates have been very popular for midfielders are the ones that score. Midfielders are the ones that contribute more goals.
Even the defenders. There was a time a defender was a leading goal scorer called Pagani.
Yeah.
Lucas Twala. Yes.
Yeah.
So la bofelo ha re nile a standout striker, the Pagani ba na le top striker se se emeng Silwana season to season. I think in the late Slow Poison.
Because before that it was Dennis Laughter. After Dennis Laughter, Slow Poison was the one that stood out.
Then Mahuta?
Was Mahuta a out and out striker? Because, but let's say he was a striker. Then that Pirates team of 2010. Hey man, that Pirates.
The MM. Modise Mashego Mabalane.
Bona, there was a thing. Rona Masanda one. We went to Ellis Park the one night. That MMA it made
that half moon ya ga Mashego around that defender. Teko plays it just in front of the defender. Haba shebile re bolo e lahlile Mahuta o tlhaga fano fa.
Yeah. So when you then look at that, traditionally Orlando Pirates have never relied necessarily on a striker. But if you're looking at the late Gift Leremi, Continental, contributing goals. Cheese Boy on the wing, contribute on goals. Teko contribute on goals. So all-time leading goal scorer for Orlando Pirates, contributed goals. Is that not going into the traditional Pirates way of playing?
Yeah, no. I think that one, but you need a fireman. You need that target man. You need that target man.
I think
but maybe
if it works for them, it works for them.
But I think it's like modern football. There was a time I get a reference like this Sundowns ya Rulani Mukwena. There was a time basimula match no striker, no defender.
Yeah.
So
that was standard.
Yes. So that team, I see team magang. Go roaring ha coach oraring. I go kenyetsa o maga re. Go kenyetsa relo kora, relo batisamba to ball.
Yeah.
Yes.
No. Tla batla ka.
Oh, I batla busuku botle boy.
Busuku
botle. So I think it's like modern football let's not wait for a striker to score. But one thing I like about Coach Wadu is to give Butuma those minutes. Because Butuma is a fighter too. And then I'll check. Like I during my commentary this thing is hocho. But what chasing people, everything. If le sego la go se le fitlhe a se le fitlhe o tla tshesa dintho ka ofela tse di tshang if le sego la gago a se la rabiwa a gona so tla tlholose a gona so tla setsang but I think coach keep on playing him na go ga go etla mobane someone clear on the line a thutse ka tlhogo he was here
he was almost
very close.
Lead Young, Betapala, and then Napolis finishes off.
Understand? So, I like the fact that he's always on the box. He's fighting. What's everything? Mbutum. Ushota fela garate. Upasa little.
Then my question is this. with Mbutuma starting, does it mean that Makgopa is a secondary to Mbutuma? Or is Makgopa...
I think it depends from the training session. I think it's not about the last matches. I think it depends. I feel like ke mang o bontshitseng gore o deserve the starting lineup.
But part of me says Makgopa is an international, so he should be bringing the experience of being an international player.
Mariano, I think it's about Pirates. I think those credentials, I think they belong to fat.
Oh, yeah. So,
guys, now we are Pirates soldiers. Let's fight for the starting lineup.
Okay. I hear you, brother. Because at the moment, it means Cardoso, the game that he's playing of winning 1-0, it means that he cannot afford a draw. Because now there's a 6 goal difference between the two.
Nah, that the way. Draw. Draw. Yo, ke mathata mangwe a seng kana ka sepe. Ke o bona o tshwere o butse something mo phone yao. Game ya Marumo le Magesi e fedile ka 1-0.
Yama 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ke 17-18 ko fatshe.
Siwelele lost to Chipa. Yebana. Must no nzima mama.
Yes. Siwelele Chipa.
Richards Bay.
Gallant Magesi.
Why you say boy?
Kile godimo.
No, full-time Magesi 3, Marumo Gallants not. Stellenbosch lost to Richards Bay. So it's very interesting in this. From number 3, I know Duba said Kaizer Chiefs is fighting for number 2. Mara, we have to be realistic. Because if you look at the gap at the top at the moment, Bratsep, I'll say the following. It means either Sundowns or Pirates must lose 5 games in a row, and Chiefs needs to show us by winning the rest of their games.
Yeah, Mara, I based on the points in the sets. I would love to calculate. Ora horeng singo study rahal. But
Mara Bratsep, do you see?
No, gile shole.
Do you see?
Le shole le anteng a le la go shole le just tunya.
Do you see Pirates losing 2 games? 2 games. No, not many, just 2.
No. For now, for
the form that they're
for pace ba tshwereng, form ba tshwereng. Hange santseng bana le yone, I bone into diragala. Same thing to Sundowns.
So we can officially say Chiefs must fight for comfort slot with its playmates.
Yeah, in fact, the truth here is, in fact, Kaizer Chiefs improved too much from Kaizer Chiefs last season. For a fact, I'm number 3 right now. I'm fana back to back. Back to back. No, I'm saying when they finish 3rd and play Confed, that's a success. Kaizer Chiefs this season. Big success.
Has Chiefs dropped that bed? And I'll tell you why. Because when I saw Kaizer doing the stats, I don't know, these 2 seasons, we were better than this. Stats says Chiefs are doing better.
Yes.
Maybe we must show them the Lion King because you have forgotten who you are.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs, it used to be a known. That's why.
Yes.
What time it was known, or when the season starts, Chiefs will come back with minimum 1 trophy.
Maramposa, even somewhere Makwalong, a di kerek. Hona le nako ya khora le atlala. So I think Kaizer Chiefs they facing ngwaga tse super tsa tlala.
No difitile. They're about to double.
No. But tsela e o bona ba builder ka yone right now Phosa. I think they are on the right track. When the season start next season. Haibula Baba Chisa. Labo fellow Kaizer Chiefs they fight for number 1. Is when they lose a league against Baroka. And who was the coach? Ernst Mendop. I saw Ernst Mendop. Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know.
So, do you think Kaizer Chiefs are looking for a coach, or will the co-coaches be given an opportunity beyond this
definitely.
season?
No. Magosi tshwanetse ba tswe letsholo. No, tshwanetse ba tswe letsholo ntate. Ba re jwale ke nako.
Because your playmates are running away from you. You found new playmates. Fella, you know when you're in a standard and others move forward.
Yeah. So
Like a break because
bona di chomi tse dintšha because now mo le go buiwa ka geometry le trigonometry mo le go buiwa ka ba tle ba rekeng premier facia wa utlo mona mo le go buiwa ka lo mo le go buiwa ka metso motona wa bona and honor wa sheba wena na ka tshwara so tla mo thole ba gotsi ba basha
Nele Pratsaka last season or previous.
Yes.
But now
that is why ke re tshwanetse ba tswe le tsholo because you don't want to point finger yo le nile
I used to.
we used to fight together, eat together, do this together.
Now it's like no, you are not there.
For stand. But the ratanga Kaizer Chiefs scoring, but simula bonsa consistency. But simula bonsa the Kaizer Chiefs we know even the players. But last time Posa when we discussed Kaizer Chiefs, remember we were talking about the pairing midfielder.
Yeah.
It's exciting we won on the second half. Lebo Maboe and Grove were on the second half. And then you can tell, no, but there's something special in these two.
No.
Remember this combination is Wagugai?
Maritzburg.
So, if a foundation encha, if everything encha, if a new Kaizer Chiefs combination, new Kaizer Chiefs engine.
Maboe seems to be the buy of the season so far at Kaizer Chiefs because ever since he's arrived, I think the coaches put his name first. Because even the goalkeeper is a bit shaky, Mara. Maboe must be in that team.
No, Lebo is doing well.
Lebo is doing very well.
Lebo is doing very well. And kone to eloren aule mukatisin kone we do melanga batamiki. You don't want someone who will give you 10 today. Tomorrow I have 8. And then the next match I have 12. No. 10 aga tsone tse 10 ya.
Yeah.
Wa tseba gore go Lebo ke na le 10 guaranteed so.
So for me when I look because you've got Kaizer Chiefs on 39 points, Amazulu on 38 points, Skukuni on 35. Those for me are the top that are fighting for number 3. The advantage is that Kaizer Chiefs has played 2 less games than the others.
Okay.
But games in hands are no guarantee.
So Kaizer Chiefs are down match number
21.
Okay, nice.
My fear is that games in hand are not necessarily W's.
True. Can we talk about number 16 and 15?
Hey, Manebona. I think Makesi, 22 games played, 17 points.
Ish. So Mpoza, where's the work? Ish. How 3-1? Yama 1.
3-0.
3-0. 3-0?
Yes.
Yo. So pressure go Rustenburg. Check the table.
Because
Obi down 18.
Yeah, Bonale Marumo Gallants down 18. Both have played 23 games.
Yes.
And Makesi has played 1 less game on 17 points.
So the win next match Magesi, but Kabadi they play Mahosi. Kabadi but Sameka Kaizer Chiefs. They play Kaizer Chiefs, right? Yes, they play Kaizer Chiefs. They play Kaizer Chiefs. They host Kaizer Chiefs. The next match.
No, Sunday Kaizer Chiefs plays against TS Galaxy.
Okay.
Orbit plays Marumo Gallants.
Oh, the match I'm looking for is this one.
Oh, Yamakes.
Yeah,
next week Wednesday.
So the next one Yamakesi
Kaizer Skukun.
Hey. Another final for them. But they must fight for a draw. If they don't get, if Bafila or Sekukune more powerful, they must fight for a draw because they're going to play the new boys in town. Mahosi. Win. They're going to play. They play who next? Galaxy.
Yes, they play TS Galaxy on Sunday. Yes.
And I don't see Kaizer Chiefs struggle against TS Galaxy. I don't see them struggling against Makesi.
Do you think it's a given win for
no for this coming too? No, I see Kaizer Chiefs 6 point clear in the pack.
TS Galaxy, the one that's going to the finals.
TS Galaxy, they're the one that Paris gave them 6. I'm talking about that team.
The one that's going to the finals.
The one that's going to the final. The Rockets.
No, Slalo Axim, Slalo Totla Kaskubu. So at the bottom, because it's also when you look at it, you look at the table, you look at the goal difference that I get minus. Minus 17, Marumo Gallants, minus 22. Because minus 14 Marquez. If Marquez it draws and they're all on 18 Marquez, it climbs above them because they've conceded less goals.
Marquez.
Yeah, because Orbit minus 22 goals.
It's a problem.
No, it's a
problem.
And then Marumo Gallants are on minus 17. They are on minus 14. Meaning goal difference is not only goal difference at the top. Goal difference is also going to count at the bottom.
So, Mpoza, why bona wa iponela mo leboteng? So, mfethu, now is the right time to discuss relegation, to discuss top 80, to discuss number 1 and number 2. I think it's the right time. Let's do it, Mpoza. Your number 1, Tlalione, and the number 2 yaw, and then I will give you mine after yours.
My number 1, it's going nowhere. It's staying in Swanyama Mamelodi.
Okay.
Tabatsa Mohale. No, change is good. That's why Pirates has won other trophies.
Okay.
But the way that it is, you look at the way that Sundowns is playing, it's not about flair anymore. It's just grinding results and grinding results. Orlando Pirates has given Sundowns a run for their money. Because one of the things that Orlando Pirates are needing to go where they have never gone before in terms of just points accumulation.
Done. So Serenale
number 1,
number 2, which is Champions League.
Yes, Champions League
done. So MTN 8.
I think they are because when you look at them, the battle will be between Stellenbosch, Siwelele, and Golden Arrows, because that's number 7, 8, and 9. Currently, number 7, Kipulukwani City, 29 points, right? 21 games played. Number 8, Golden Arrows, 28 points. Number 9, Stellenbosch on 28 points. Those for me, and then Siwelele, number 10 on 26 points. They're going to cancel each other out, a win this week. So that's going to be the last spot that's standing.
So let's go to the big one, the relegation. Ke mang o re tlo mmalanya ka history ya Betway Premiership? Unalefa.
At this moment, it looks like it's test written, exam failed, repeat, co-colleging. And the way it's looking like, it's repeat, co-colleging.
So you think Orbit College are going back to the classroom?
Yeah. Orbit College are going back to the classroom. Yeah. And then Marumo Gallants will be in the playoffs.
So go fast. I still believe for Makezi, abana go tswa go tobing e go fatshe yo. Okay. Since ke na le tumelo tletseng ya goreng like the way dealing ka teng go fatshe. Gallants ya go palama mo dimo ga Orbit.
Okay.
Orbit will play playoffs.
Okay.
Makezi
will be relegated.
Makezi will be relegated.
Okay.
And then my top 8 are yo fetoga thata. Ya go nna the way leng ka teng. Top 8 ya go nna the way exactly the way leng ka teng.
So how changes the little Kaizer Chiefs, Amazulu Skukuni, Durban City, Polokwane, Golden Arrows.
Arrows ke abofela ke number 8.
How many Kevin Hunt forcing issues?
No, I think it's late for Kevin. But since on al motlholo tla etsala mare ke na le tumela gore Polokwane City will be there.
Okay.
Arrows will be there. Godimo. Nna ke bone ha ka wena.
Oh, bone zemnyama ngaka.
Ditlo faposana. So go
tla se umhlaba ka masipala.
Go tla se utlo ya godimo. O godimo tla ya mofatse.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I think it's le nne ke di bonang ka yona. Because remember Mpoza ring what is nna di games ke di checka yang? Ka di 1 it's a May.
Yeah.
Or ke di 2 or di 1.
Holiday ka di 1.
Sundowns play Kaizer Chiefs. I guess I bue mark. Sundowns play Kaizer Chiefs. That game That game, you only to decide on.
Really well.
You only to decide on leaky. That game, you only to decide on leaky. Or leaky ya kukai. Leaky had to decide to aga. I had people bargadi 26. Gadi 26. Sundowns it out gets a gap.
Kiddy 6
Because Pirates play Chiefs.
Wednesday the 6th of May.
6th of May. Hey. They decide. That.
As if Freedom Day, we will discuss what's happening because if it's a draw of the derby, because some parts of me would like to say, will Chiefs not come back in the derby and say we want to salvage some pride?
No, can I profit for the last time this season? So Masanda Wana they going to get a draw. Go Polokwane.
Okay.
Against Polokwane City.
Bona Braputi atlo ba tshwara.
I'm telling you now. Sundowns is going to play draw against Polokwane City. Ne? And then they're gonna go like this, le mapagania, neck on neck. Ne? Until it's a zile go bolela nga lone le.
La the 6.
La the 6. Ke May as a match. But they beware the 8th of March. No ante ke May. So
it may happen, it may not happen.
so yes, so kalsa zileo. Yes, na kione decide ya kayo because go tsweng fao o tlang gopola mphosa go tsweng fao se Pirates se sira Sundowns se tlo sira se Pirates se sira even if Sundowns I thola draw Pirates will play draw because ka bo be di ba
must just match each other.
ka bo be di ba tsone ne we play ba ka ba tshameka ka letswalo. So ha o tshameka ka letswalo always letswalo le favor se se diragetseng before. So since the mo lefting, righting until the last day, then goals will come to the table.
There's an underlying team that has a say in this title race. Sundowns will host them. Orlando Pirates will travel to them. Those who drink the grapes of Stellenbosch. Sundowns will host Stellenbosch on the 22nd. Orlando Pirates will travel on the 5th of May. What do you, I think Gavin Hunt will be salivating at the opportunity to cause an upset because he's got his own battles to fight of trying to get into the top 8. True.
So Orlando Pirates, Danny Craven Stadium.
No. They'll go to Cape Town. They'll go to Cape Town. Yeah.
Which also?
No, they won't go to Craven.
Night game.
Yeah. 7:30.
O sa gopola go dira getseng ka that season. Pirates Ajax. O sa gopola that season. Same stadium. You saw nene?
But as part of our conclusion, Bratsepo, we've now discussed the teams.
Yes, sir.
There's a matters that are starting to be very clear and now it's bubbling under. Player of the season conversations are coming into being. The popular vote at the moment says release the player of the season. Who are your candidates and why? Let me give you mine, Bratep. Release having a fantastic second half of the season. But really in the first half of the season did not give as much as it did. There's two players that stand out for me. And they are still standing out for me even now. You look at Moremi, you look at Apollos. Those players have had a stellar season. Arrived at a big team in Orlando Pirates. Moremi was not even in the Bafana fold. Forced his way to that by performances that he's been giving. And I think he's one of the players that I am saying is going to the World Cup. Moremi has been consistent throughout the season. Really is having a fantastic 26. Apollos has been consistent. Really scored the goals and momentum carries forward with him. Those are my three front runners. And really will beat them on the following things. I'll say the following thing. Really is popular based on the biasness that I'm seeing when people are giving men of the match. Based on the fact that it seems stats and every other thing does not matter. Really will win it. And yes, and this is not, and I think...
Are you voting for him?
Nah, now my vote goes to Moremi.
Okay.
And I'll tell you why. A lot of people are conflicted in this matter. Our commentators, analysts, they are affiliated to clubs. They're very clear. And yet they're the ones that are going to be in there.
No, not commentators.
And no, maybe I started that one good. Commentators, analysts, people are conflicted.
You said commentators, analysts, and journalists.
Yes, people are conflicted. And therefore, the popular vote will go to Relly. But when you look at like I said, Relly's having a fantastic 26. You move away the players, the people that are conflicted that are going to be running this thing.
I get a leaky 2025, 2026.
Marabatobala 26. Because you can already see in some of these decisions, Mututla tap in about a goal of the season.
No, man, no.
It's your colleagues. It's your colleagues.
No, I not idea. No.
What of a goalkeeper, man of the match, Mara goalkeeper, UGC team?
No.
Or no, aha.
No, like goalkeeper based on saves. Goalkeeper based on saves.
You are
goalkeeper based on saves, steady drilling. And then Arna a standout performer. Obvious goalkeeper.
No, but here's my thing. Are you rewarding losing?
No. You don't
reward what?
You reward standout players.
Standout players that contributed to their team doing well.
Standout players. You can be standout and then you lose a match. So are you saying you can't be a man of the match from a losing team?
No, for now.
Or for Wena?
You lost, Chief. So bottom line, you lost. So your contribution is null and void. You lost.
Some person can't be a man of the match.
No, you can't.
So okay, listen. Okay, can I?
No. So you wanna tell me Golden Arrows Mabane had a standout player that could have won man of the match?
No. Ayo. No, a man of the match. Hey, Bampoza. Really scored hat trick. Sundowns, Ebalidi, different goal scorer, J4. Sundowns win the match. Really, a hat trick on that match. So are you saying based on Pirates you can't give the boy man of the match?
I wonder if you had said anybody else, I would have. Really, like I said, is the darling of South African football. Now,
someone.
Let me come back and say the following.
No point.
You had an outstanding game. We acknowledge your outstanding game. The mission before we started was to win this game. He who contributes to winning the game is the one that's a stellar performer. We will acknowledge your good performance, Mara, you must contribute to winning the game. But if you're on the losing side and they give you man of the match, now I'm starting to, option one. Okay, this is the commentator, this is the commentator, this is the commentator. Because you are starting to see a pattern. You can lose, Mara, certain people will, let me be clear. If you play against Sundowns, you can still get a man of the match even though Sundowns wins. Tebogo Mokoena comes, stellar performance. Contributes to changing the game. Scores 2 goals. Everybody and sundry besides the commentators said he's man of the match.
Okay.
All I'm saying, those who will be making the decision, we must be clear. Where do you stand?
So, grand play of the season, a team a winning league.
No.
Play of the season must come from a player a winning league.
So, player of the season is a player that has contributed consistently throughout the season to the well-being of the team.
But how do you want to same thing to impose?
So
why should you get a player of the season but team is a winner league?
Okay. Orlando Pirates has got how many trophies at the moment?
In a little 2 or 3.
Man, Scalabala, man, that was not an official.
Okay.
I mean, which team did they play?
Okay.
Is that team that they played in this?
No, what's that trophy? The Pirates and I give you the number 3.
No. The PSL has got the following trophies: MTN 8, Black Label, Nedbank, and the league.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
So Mpoza, point out of you can't be a man of the match on the losing side.
For what? What are
Sharp.
we rewarding you for?
So my point here is, Mpoza. So, player of the season, maybe a player, a team winning league. Nah.
I'm saying if you've contributed, for example, Moremi contributed in MTN8. Moremi contributed in Carling. Do you see that contribution of that player was a big part of those competitions?
But remember, those competitions, they've got their own accolades. Where you say MTN player of the season.
Okay. If
NetBank player, Black Label player.
Okay. If they're saying they're only checking Betways, then it must come from the winning team.
So dumalana lena.
It must be from the winning team.
So championship, Betway winner.
Must
everything so it's
but this is South Africa.
This is
we and that's why I'm saying my fear, those who are gonna make this judgment, because all that needs to happen. Let's say you put journalist, you need somebody with a strong voice who's got a loud voice. He's gonna overshadow Bo Pratsepo. We're like, no. So this thing, I'm just warning you, and I'm warning you nicely, Pratsepo. Just between us, forget the cameras. This thing, Moremi should walk away with it, but Moremi won't walk away with it.
With what?
A player of the season. That's me. No, now I've given you my contender. If it's not Moremi and Apolis.
But stats are Moremi la simple since spy. Akibatlisa space, run and what. Simple stats fail. Goals and assist.
So is that how we're gonna judge?
But this must be on top. Must be the first thing first to judge especially a player of the season.
Based on your words. Ikram Reina's congratulations, the player of the season, it's already done. Do you see how that looks now?
No.
Dion. For Golden Arrows.
Yes.
So that's what we must say.
Yeah, but we are a top leading scorer. A nominee at least to be on that list.
Now I'm saying for me, consistency throughout the season. Moremi, Apolis really has had a wonderful second half to the season. 2020, if the league was purely run on from January when Bafana returned from their vacation in Morocco.
So Mpoza, the same thing like a man of the match. So let's tell how many minutes or man of the match.
I'm not sure if there are minutes.
And then also kadi
Aaron utimile molabon.
And also kadi matches. How many matches you can do the create so that what include you on that bucket? Yeah, those who fighting or competing for player of the season.
There I don't know. But based on the amount of time that Moremi and Apolis have played, are they qualified?
As nominees.
Thank
you.
Now I'm saying.
So
yeah.
Please.
No. I'll say this to you. If it was just on performance throughout the season, those are my two nominees.
Yes.
Mara, I know because of popularity, and he's done well in 2026. Really will walk away with it. So Mara, man of the match. I wanna know. Shiksa option 1. This commentator, this analyst, this commentator. I can already tell you, man of the match will not come from this one. Will come from this one. But first, it's been good. It's been real. Let us know what you think. Who do you think at this moment is the front runner for your player of the season? Because it's very important. We can't be blind. Remember, and this is what I say, Pratep. As analysts, yes, you guys work on broadcasters. We're watching the same games as you. And when this happens, you start going, You can't say, why can I? You're passing the halfway line. We are watching the same game. We go to the same game.
True.
As we part, it's been good, it's been real. Next week we'll have guests back. We just needed to do some domestic stuff and discuss this league running.
Yeah, no, report.
Mr. Mackenzie, I hope you still have a job. Mama Joy wants to go to the World Cup. Please do the right thing. Thank you for watching this series. See you next week.